Hi guys, I am going to read English newspaper. Kejriwal Man chart roadmap to transform Punjab into model state. AAP National Convener Arvind Kejriwal held an important meeting in Delhi on Tuesday with the Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwat Mann, cabinet ministers and MLAs. He expressed gratitude for their dedicated efforts in the Delhi elections and discussed strategies to transform Punjab into a model state. Sharing details of the meeting, CM Bhagwat Mann emphasized Punjab's commitment to setting an example in key sectors like education, healthcare, electricity, and water. He highlighted the government's rapid progress and its success in exceeding promises such as shutting down 70 toll plazas and ending multiple pensions for MLAs, steps that were never initially pledged. Following the meeting, CM Mann stated AP's Punjab team worked tirelessly on the ground during the Delhi elections. Arvind Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia personally thanked everyone for their dedication. He reiterated that in Punjab, the AAP government is actively working to improve public services, particularly in electricity, education, healthcare, infrastructure, and roads. He emphasized the need to accelerate these efforts in Delhi. Our government has accomplished groundbreaking work over the past 10 years, so much so that people still remark they had never seen such progress before. Our wins and losses are part of the journey, but we will apply Delhi's experience to Punjab. We have already set up over 850 mohalla clinics, modernized hospitals, and launched schools of Emrians where students are excelling in competitive exams, stressing up's focus on governance over divisive politics. The Punjab CM said we must work together. Our party stands for public service, not politics driven by caste, religion, hatred, or money. We respect the people's mandate in Delhi today. Our entire Delhi team was present and we reaffirmed our commitment to making Punjab a model state within the next 2 years, whether it's cities, villages, businesses, shops, or farmers, we will ensure Punjab's development inspires the entire country. Our volunteers are unwavering in their dedication and will not be influenced by external pressures. Man underscored Punjab's historical role in national progress, recalling the state's contributions to the freedom struggle and the Green Revolution. Punjab has always led from the front, even AAP's first four MP came from Punjab in 2017. We became the opposition, and in 2022 we secured 92 out of 117 seats. Unlike career politicians, we are deeply rooted in the grassroots, which is why we always remain among the people. He further outlined plans to advance Punjab in sports, trade, and other key sectors. We have already gained the trust of the business community with major companies like Tata Steel and Santhan Textiles investing in Punjab. Large scale initiatives are underway to boost employment. In just 3 years, we have provided over 50,000 government jobs without bribery or recommendations, purely on merit. In some families, two or three members have secured jobs simultaneously. Today, we met with Arvind Kejriwal to discuss our shared vision for Punjab's future. Speaking on law and order, CM1 asserted that Punjab's security situation is better than that of many other states. If it wasn't major corporations wouldn't be investing here. The first thing companies assess before investing is law and order. We regularly hold meetings with police officials to combat drugs and other crimes. Being a border state, we have additional responsibilities and we take them seriously. It is our duty and we will continue working to improve safety. Thank you guys for